Here at Android Authority, we go through a lot of smartphones, and year after year, we unbox, benchmark, daily drive, test, and review all these devices, all to help you choose the best smartphone for your needs. So after another year's worth of phone reviews, you're probably wondering, what is the best smartphone of 2022? I'm Harley Morano with Android Authority, and in this video, I'm going to be revealing our editor's choice and reader's choice pick for the best smartphone of 2022. In order to choose our best phone of 2022, our team of seasoned tech reviewers created a shortlist of some of the most prestigious and highest reviewed phones of this year, all while ensuring that every major brand is represented across multiple price segments. This includes devices sold only in the US, as well as globally. We take into account not just raw performance, battery durability, value for money, and camera prowess, but also the intangibles like after-sales service, update guarantees, and more. Now, without further ado, the winner of Android Authority's Editor's Choice Phone of the Year goes to the Google Pixel 7 Pro. That's right, for the second year in a row, Google has taken the top spot for best phone. And running through the Pixel 7 Pro's feature set, it's not hard to see why. It's got an improved design, best-in-class camera quality, impressive machine learning capabilities, and intuitive software UI with a plethora of exclusive features. It also sees the return of Face Unlock, comes with an improved fingerprint sensor, improved network reception, and long-term software support. The cherry on top? The Pixel 7 Pro starts at just $899 US, which is $100 less than other flagships from Apple and Samsung. If you want a top-of-the-line phone, you don't have to spend a fortune to get the best of the best. And Google has proven that with the Pixel 7 Pro. If you want to see a more detailed breakdown of how we pick our winner and see our runner-up smartphones, be sure to read the full article on AndroidAuthority.com. Now enough about us. Let's move on to our reader's choice pick. For the last few weeks, we've been putting up polls on our website and social media channels to figure out your best smartphone of 2022. And after 3 rounds of voting, it all came down to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the Pixel 7 Pro. Both phones are great devices, and you can't really go wrong with buying either. But there can only be one winner. And the reader's choice pick for the best smartphone of 2022 is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now this is actually amazing because the last time our editor's choice and reader's choice pick were the same was actually back during the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 era. So huge props to Google. And this race was really close. In the first 2 rounds of voting, the S22 Ultra was actually leading our polls. But when it came down to the final vote, the Pixel 7 Pro won by just 4%. So congratulations to Google for winning both our editor's and reader's choice picks for the best smartphone of 2022. If you want to learn more about the Google Pixel 7 Pro, be sure to watch our full review on YouTube or read our full review on AndroidAuthority.com. But I'm curious, what do you think was the best smartphone of 2022? Do you agree with us? Do you disagree? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're down there, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload next. I'm Harley Morano with Android Authority, and I'll see you in the next one.